Introducing the sleek and stylish 2019 Volkswagen Polo TL 1.0 M5F in blue. This hatchback is packed with features for your comfort and safety, including air conditioning, cruise control, multiple airbags and anti-collision system. With a 1-litre engine and manual transmission, this car is both efficient and fun to drive. Plus, it comes with a full multi-point health and safety check, comprehensive warranty, and is serviced to manufacturer specification. Don't miss out on this fantastic deal. Call us or visit laharts.ie for more information today. Drive away in your dream car with peace of mind and style.